Hey there, welcome back to another video of Adobe Premiere Pro Basic Learning episode. In this video, Creator Fact will show you how to add smooth transitions between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Transition can make your video flow better and look professional. And they're super easy to use once you know how. Let's jump right into it. Prepare your clips on the timeline. First, ensure you have already placed the clips you want to transition between on the timeline. They should be positioned right next to each other without gaps. Open the Effects panel. Next, go to the Effects panel, which you can find on the right-hand side of the workspace. If you don't see it, go to Window and make sure Effects is checked. Apply Basic Transition. Search for Cross Dissolve. Under the Video Transition folder, drag and drop it onto the cut between the two clips on your timeline. Play the timeline to see the smooth fade transition in action. Customize the transition. To customize the transition, double-click on it in the timeline. You can adjust its duration by dragging the edges or change its placement by moving it left or right. This allows you to control how quickly or slowly the transition happens. Explore other transitions. There are many other transitions available under Effects. For example, the slide transition creates a sliding effects between clips, while the wipe transition gives you a clean wipe effect. Drag and drop this to experiment with different style with your videos. Pro tip: use shortcut for default transition. For quick edits, you can add the default transition by selecting the cut between two clips and pressing Command+D on Mac or Ctrl+D on Windows. This will instantly apply the default video transition like cross dissolve or any other transition effects. And there you have it. Adding and customizing transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro is that simple. With using these techniques, your videos will look better and more polished. If you feel this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get our next episode on Adobe Premiere Pro Basic Learning episode. And hit the like button. Also, comment below about our next episodes.